In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a rubber band or elastic band tricep extension. Now, you don't need to put the band around anything, you don't need to hook it around anything, because the anchor point of the band in this exercise is actually going to be underneath your foot. So let's say, for example, I'm working my right side first. What I want to do is I want to have my right foot on top of the band. So the mid part of my right foot is on top of the band. It's not going to go anywhere. It's not going to ping up during the exercise. I then take the palm of my hand and place it in contact with the rubber band. If I was going to do the exercise from this position, the band's going to be awkwardly hitting my knees. It's going to get in the way. So what I want to do is make sure that the side that I'm working, my right side here, my right leg is behind my left. So of course, if you had this and you was working your left side, you'd have your left foot behind your right. So from this position, I want you to come up. And I'm in a position now where my palm is now facing towards the ceiling. I'm going to bring my elbow into my head as much as I physically can. And then from this position, all you need to think of is before you start straightening the elbow, brace your core as hard as you can, and then extend the tricep. So you're straightening the elbow, bending the elbow, straightening the elbow, bending the elbow for your desired amount of sets and repetitions. Of course, when you're done, you're going to do exactly the same on the other side. And do remember, with resistance bands, they're not like dumbbells. The more you pull on a resistance band, the harder it's going to be. So at this start point in the exercise, it's going to be the easiest point of the exercise. And as you pull on that band, the resistance of the band is going to become more and more. That's the difference between a band and something like a dumbbell, where you've got that same resistance, but you're just acting against gravity. This, you're acting against gravity, and the resistance is getting more and more as you do the exercise. So that is how to do a rubber band or elastic band overhead tricep extension.